how to rearrange different part of the videos in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can rearrange the different parts of your video. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application. You can see I have already opened up my project. You can see I have 4 to 5 different videos. Now if I wanted to rearrange those videos, I can just simply tap one of the video and scroll down the list, and you will be able to see the rearrange option. So just tap right here on the rearrange and you can see all of your projects. Now if you want to if you want the third part to come first, you will have to tap on this first part, uh, and you will have to put it to the first place. Now if you want the last part to the second, so you will have to tap right here on this video part, and you will have to drag it to the second place. So this is how you can easily change the different arrangement of your videos. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.